Hello everyone. Managing risk and securing profits are key to successful trading. Now in this video, I will show you how to set up automatic stop loss and take profit levels using TradingView. So now let's get started. First, log into your TradingView account and choose the asset you want to trade. You can search for it using the ticker symbol in the search bar at the top of the screen. Now once selected, your chart will display the asset's price movements. To set up automatic orders, ensure you are connected to a broker or exchange via TradingView's trading panel. Click the trading panel at the bottom of your chart and select your broker. Log in to link your account. Next, right-click on the chart where you want to set your entry price. Select trade and then create a new order. A pop-up will appear where you can customize your trade parameters. Within the order settings, locate the stop loss and take profit fields. Enter your desired price levels for each. For example, set your stop loss below the current price to limit losses and your take profit above it to lock in gains. Now ensure your stop loss and take profit levels are activated by toggling the options on. Double check that your settings align with your trading plan. And once done, confirm your order by clicking the Place Order. After placing the order, monitor your trade on the chart. You will see visual markers for your stop loss and take profit levels. If market conditions change, you can drag the markets to adjust these levels dynamically. And there you have it. Setting up automatic stop loss and take profit levels on TradingView is a game changer for managing risk and staying disciplined. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.